Hello, guys, and welcome. What? How do I have one of these, but I haven't even been in one game level? Yes. Okay, sorry, guys, but basically, I'm gonna be playing the Mighty Knight. It's really weird controls, by the way. So most of the time, I use the arrow keys for this game. And then I use Z, X, and C. To me, that's the most comfortable because if I have my fingers on WASD, have them on J, K, J, K, and L, yeah. It kind of feels weird having my right hand all the way over there, so just telling you guys that's how. Skip this, I'm a genius. So Z is to use the normal tag, then eventually you're gonna get this second one, special one. Nether Ghost, a helpful friend for the Netherworld. Poke them and get a supportive item. So yeah, I know this game's so bad quality. It's not my fault. This game is like really old, and you're meant to die on this level. Like it is impossible to beat. At least I think it is. Ugh. Look how many guys there are. Ugh. 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 Oh no! Oh no! Wait, dude, I'm gonna beat this for the first time. Guys, oh my god, I've never beat this level before my first try. I didn't think it was actually possible. Because it always brings you to like this weird thing. Yeah, I'm better. I'm victorious. 2,000? Maybe you're not so, only really good people are able to because you don't get that much money all the time. So what I'm gonna do, by the way, I'm gonna do lifeline a lot. Wait, maybe I do only get that much. Makes the wood doesn't mean it does. Yeah, so you got like changes over time and stuff. I'm really just gonna keep saving up for this. So and then there's like special things you can do. Oh, the normal reward for if you can get. So I'm just gonna do this thing, try to beat it. It's really hard. Oh wait, what? I was on the wrong keys. Nope. Oh, this is why this was so hard. Just do the same thing. I just keep spamming this. I got. So hard. No, 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 no. Guys, this is so hard. I promise you. I'm not bad. I'm not bad. I can't move anything. Only have 200 health. No, 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 I didn't press that button. No, 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 no. You shall not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I've been this, not, I actually haven't been in this game. I've gone really far in this game, and you only have stone stuff. No matter how much you upgrade yourself on this level, you just get stone stuff, and it's and you only get that week. So gonna buy that just in case. So now I'm gonna be sudden death. Eliminate all enemies without getting hit, or else you die. So X or K, this happens. So it's really cool. Don't hit me. Why isn't it? I was trying to go up, it wasn't working. No joke, guys. I was holding the up arrow. Weird. Nope, no. See, it just keeps doing it. It's like lagging or something. It just like at some times it like when I try to move around it just like delays. And I got an achievement which they give you money, so it's cool. Sudden death. So but with this one, this like all the upgrades just carry on, so see I was pressing, you heard me doing this, I could, but you don't know what button I was pressing of course, but I was pressing the A. Oh, because I was pressing A, not Z. See, I just go forward. I don't even want to go forward. See, like, I keep, like, trying to move and it won't move. It's weird. I never... Why me? I'm just gonna go on to the next level, see if that keeps happening. Yeah, and you get a friend. Get a friend. Look at, his name is Axel. I don't know. He just goes off and does his own thing. Doesn't really care. Oh, I keep pressing Z. A. No. Yeah, like an archer later on, you get like a guy that could like make a lot of money, and that your friends die really quickly sometimes. I'm pressing the A button, Z button. So, well, sorry guys, that's it for today. I'm really get kind of close today, but we shall finish this next time after I claim this, and I shall get this. Look at me, so cool. Bye. Please like and subscribe. And kinda please tell me what my outro and intro should be, or I should try to say, hey guys! Yeah, bye.